Hello everyone, I Ruchi Pandey and
Bhavna Rijwan
is here on your own channel HPS Spotlight, giving you the latest and most credible news for today. Headlines are
Primary Wing Activities, Color Recognition and Pencil Shaving, Clay Molding Activity, Pass the Ball, Hindi Rhyme Competition, English Handwriting Competition, Color Day Celebration, Workshop on Birds and Insects, Inter-House Bulletin Board Competition, Hindi Skit Competition, Exhibition, Felicitation Ceremony, Our Laurels.
Color recognition and pencil shaving. Color recognition activity took place in pre-primary section. Our little learner had a blast exploring colors through popsicles and pencil shavings. The popsicles and pencil shaving activities provided a hands-on and multi-sensory approach to help our students recognize and identify colors. By using colorful popsicles and pencil shavings, we created a fun and interactive experience to engage their senses and deepen their understanding of colors.
clay molding. Clay molding is a fantastic way for children to express their creativity and develop their artistic abilities. We provided our students with non-toxic, child-friendly clay in a rainbow of colors and a variety of molding tools to bring their ideas to life. The children were encouraged to let their imaginations run wild and shape the clay into whatever their hearts desire.
Pass the ball. The spirit of teamwork and physical activity was in full swing as pre-primary children enthusiastically participated in pass the ball activity. Divided into teams, they collaborated and passed the ball from one team member to another. Showcasing their coordination skills, the excitement and energy created a lively and funful atmosphere. The little ones cheered each other on and showcased their impressive teamwork and ball handling ability.
Hindi Rhyme Competition. The Hindi Rhyme Competition is a thrilling event where children present their favorite Hindi poems, expressing their unique voices and wonderful props. Through this competition, they have the opportunity to engage with the beauty and emotions of Hindi language.
The English handwriting competition was conducted to encourage our young children to develop neat handwriting skills. It provided them with a platform to showcase their growing proficiency in forming letters and words, setting the foundation for confident and clear communication.
Yellow and Green Color Day. We are thrilled to share the amazing Jungle Theme Day that took place in our kindergarten, celebrating the vibrant colors of yellow and green. Our auditorium was transformed into a lush and colorful jungle with beautiful yellow and green decorations. The children were mesmerized by the captivating jungle atmosphere that awaited them. The children came dressed in the cheerful shades of yellow, which symbolize happiness and sunshine. To further immerse the children in the jungle experience, our teachers narrated the captivating story of the mouse and the lion. The tale taught valuable lessons of bravery, friendship, and the power of helping others, leaving a lasting impression on our young minds. Workshop was organized by Indian Biodiversity Conservation Society on the following topics on 21st and 22nd June. Topic 1. Birds are feathered friend. Topic 2. Insects, small soul that make big differences. In the workshop, students visited school ground and observed different birds and learn about them. Through this workshop, students are able to understand the different ways of conserving bird and insect and are able to know their importance in our life. Inter-House Bulletin Board Competition. To give wings to the imagination of students, the school organized an inter-house bulletin board decoration competition. Thematic boards adorned with vibrant sketches, educational messages and vivid border prepared by student teachers of 4 houses were judged on the selection of theme, aesthetic sense, teamwork, presentation and time management. Exhibition. In the fast-moving and technical world, students are no more interested in listening to boring lectures and cramming facts. The minds of students work faster. The curiosity level and enthusiasm to learn and analyze any knowledge are excellent. It is the responsibility of the teachers these days to maintain this enthusiasm and give a positive direction to the curiosity of students and help them dive deep into the ocean of learning. Science exhibition is an excellent tool that involves students in discovering new facts and discoveries with a zeal of interest. In the science exhibition, students showcased static and working models which can be used for learning various scientific concepts for children of any age group. It involves students participating in activities to understand the cognitive, affective and mental aspects of the task.
Laurels to school. Shaurya Vaseda played in international Indo-Nepal futsal competition where he represented India and has been awarded with certificate and medal for being runner-up. On the other hand, Utkarsh Singh of grade 7th appeared for SQF Mathematicians Olympiad where he got selected for zones level and secured 8th rank in zone and 324 rank internationally. He had been awarded with a merit certificate and a sum of ₹500. The International Astronomy and Astrophysics Competition is an international science competition that enables students from all countries to prove their skills and to unleash their creativity in the fields of astronomy and astrophysics, in which Trinav has been awarded with bronze honor. For this achievement, he has been felicitated at school also by Honorable Principal Sir Mr. Rajesh Sharma. दिनांक 31 जुलाई को प्रेमचंद दिवस के अवसर पर हिमालयन प्रोग्रेसिव स्कूल किच्छा में प्रेमचंद की प्रसिद्ध कहानियों पर आधारित एक नाट्य प्रतियोगिता आयोजित की गई, जिसमें स्कूल के बच्चों द्वारा पंच परमेश्वर, सोने का अंडा, मुक्ति मार्ग, पूछ की रात कहानियों को रंगमंच दिया गया, जिसमें बच्चे काफ़ी उत्साहित नजर आए। स्कूल के प्रधानाचार्य श्री राजेश शर्मा जी ने बच्चों को बधाई देते हुए उनके उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना की।
Those were the top stories for this hour. We'll meet you in next video with some more interesting news.
Do like, share and subscribe our channel HBS Spotlight. Thank you.